Is this a video? Oh.
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Oh, twinkles there. Twinkles there.
What are you doing, Twinkle? Are you doing some crazy dance?
Crazy dance. Crazy dance. Hey, Dozy. You're doing a gallop. Hey. Hey. Hey, never do that. Hey. Hey.
No, don't.
I'm making. Hey, my pen. Ah, get it. Yeah. Gotcha. Okay, what are you in? Oh, I saw that video when he was putting that. Look at the twinkle. She's with a cow. Like a horse.
Yeah, it looks like a horse, eh?
Yeah, she looks like a horse. And then like galloping.
Yeah, galloping. You're right. It looks like they're galloping.
Hey! Nope. Don't get my pen. Ah! He's never gonna get this pen. Drop.
Put it down. Maybe he wants to use it. See if he uses it. Maybe they want to write you a note.
No, they don't. They're scared of it.
They want to write in this notebook, they're saying. In that notebook, they want to write in there.
Never birdies. I'll just take that away. Get that book.
You scared them. But they tricked you, because they got to your pen and your book.
Hey! Don't shoot!
No,
Shoot!
don't shoot them.
Hey, don't go away from my picture.